we have given that B, we can read flower A, is defined by operation B to power 2A for all positive integers. Then we have to calculate. In parentheses we have 2, flower 4, and outside we have flower 3. So let me copy this. First we have in parentheses 2, I can write star 4, 3. This is equal. What first we have to do? We have to do operation in parentheses. We have definition of this operation. B, flower A, is B to power 2A. In our example, our B is 2 and A is 4. So we have to open parentheses. First, we always do whatever we have inside parentheses, whatever we can do. So what we have here, our definition for this operation is the base is B. So B in our example is equal to. So we copy 2 and we have to take this number to power 2A. So 2 we copy and A is equal 4. So we have 2 times 4. Close parentheses. And we have to copy the symbol and 3. Next, first we have to do whatever we can do in parentheses. So we have 2 to power 2 times 4 is 8. And we have the symbol 3. And again, we have to come back to definition of our operation. Now, in our example, B is equal to power 8 and A is 3. So now this is our B and this is our A. So this operation is defined by B to power 2A. So our B is 2A, 2 to power 8, and we have to take this number to power 2A. So let me put this in parentheses. 2 we have to copy, this is constant, and A is 3, so we have to multiply 2 times 3. So this is equal. We have power to power. How we do this? We have to do multiplication. So 2 we copy. So we have 8 times 2 times 3 is 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So we got our solution.